How to set up a free domain with Bluehost. First of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure that you buy the best plan possible. If you want the best plan, visit the link in the description box. Now, what I'm going to do, if you want to get the free domain with the WooCommerce hosting plan, and with first of all, pre-installed WooCommerce. With WooCommerce already installed, you can set up your store without any without any hassle. And new Wonder theme, the hosting plan includes customizable WooCommerce theme designed for online stores, and you have the automatic backup. Your site is backed up daily, so your data remains safe. And free domain name, get a free domain for the first year of your WooCommerce hosting plan, allowing you to create professional web address for your website. If you want to get a free domain name with the hosting plan, first Bluehost also offers web hosting tailored for WordPress users. The WordPress hosting plan comes with several benefits, including automatic WordPress installation, enhanced security features like free SSL, and fast website performance, and free domain name. So go ahead to the WordPress hosting and then select the plan and make sure that you buy the best plan, as we said before, and you will get free website, fast website performance, and free domain name on WordPress. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.